Welcome friend, I am Adan and welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you know that there are 195 countries in the world and about 50 Muslim countries, and every country has their different language, and according to the census there are 6,500 different kinds of languages are spoken in the world today. So in this video I am going to tell you top 8 oldest languages in the world. Before we proceed, hit on the subscribe button to watch more interesting videos. Number 8 is Irish Gaelic. The Irish language has been spoken in Ireland for give or take 2,500 years. No one is sure what language was spoken before that, as no record from that time exists. Mr. White makes this point when he calls it the language spoken by the Liberian Celtibloin, who only invaded us as lately as around 500 BC. Number 7 is Icelandic. Its root can be traced back to the oldest Nordic language, which was spoken in Scandinavia between 200 and 800 AD during the Viking Age. Year 793 AD to 1066, Nordic language split into East and West. Number 6 is Lithuanian. It is the most archaic Indo-European language still spoken. A Lithuanian literary language has been in life since the century of 16. Number 5 is Chinese. China is an East Asian country with a large territory, a huge population, ancient history, with written record dating back 4,000 years. It is one of the 4 great ancient civilizations of the world, together with ancient Egypt, Babylon and India. Number 4 is Greek. The Greek language is the oldest language in Europe. Greek has been spoken in the Balkan Peninsula since around the 3rd BC or probably earlier. Number 3 is Farsi. This language is known as to have one of the world's oldest and most influential literature. All prism written works are vouched on several inscriptions from between the 6th and 4th century BC. Number 2 is Tamil. The Tamil language is recognized as the oldest language in the world, and it is oldest language of the Dravidian family. This language had a presence even around 5,000 years ago. According to a survey, 1863 newspapers are published in the Tamil language only every day. Number 1 is Arabic. Arabic is the oldest language on earth. It is the religious language of 1.8 billion Muslims. Arabic is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. There are total 422 million Arabic speakers in the world. It is the 5th most spoken language in the world. It's also official language of 30 countries, and it is also language of Holy Quran. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and also share with your friends and family.